Let me show you how you guys can delete your Amazon Prime Video account. Now remember, since your Amazon Prime Video is linked with your Amazon account, the only way to delete your Prime Video account is to delete your Amazon account. To delete your Amazon account, you need to open up your browser, and on your browser, you need to search for delete Amazon account like this. Once you search for it, click on request the closure of your account. Once you click on it, you need to log in into your Amazon account. Once you log in into your Amazon account and this page opens up, scroll down and on the blue letter you see close your account, click on that. It'll take you to this page. Over here, just scroll down. It's going to show you all this thing related with your Amazon account will be deleted. We also want Amazon Prime deleted, so it's shown over here. That's good. If I scroll all the way down, I can choose any reason I want from here. Click on yes I want and click on close my account. If I do that, my Amazon account along with my Amazon Prime will be deleted. That's how you guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.